Bonjour, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to see you today for another video. From the subscribers here, I'm Alice and I do lifestyle, beauty, perfume videos. So if you like this channel, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to check my other video and don't forget to leave a comment. And today this is a lifestyle beauty video. In this video, I'm going to show you my beauty routine, self-care routine, after work routine. I love to take care of myself. I love beauty. I love skincare. So this is my beauty routine, how I take care of myself after a very difficult week of work. I work hard, but I love to pamper myself. First thing I do when I go home, it's just putting a nice pyjama, you know, very fancy pyjama, pink pyjama with feather. I put also my little slippers, my little sometimes cashmere socks. To put a very nice ambiance music. So during the fall, I enjoy Chopin, I like Mozart, I like Beethoven. I also put some, you know, some more modern music. I like The Weeknd, for example. So very nice ambiance, cozy loft lounge music. And I also light some candles. So I love, you know, this nice ambiance. I love when my home is smelling very good. During the fall, I enjoy to light a Christian Dior Eau Noire. This is a beautiful candle for fall. Yeah, it's very woody actually, very woody, very boisé, woody. A little bit dark, but it's spicy. This is perfect for fall, you know, woody, spicy fragrance. I love this one. It's a beautiful Christian Dior candle. After that, I love to make some very fancy cocktails. So I love with alcohol. Sometimes I don't want alcohol, it depends. Sometimes I just do some water infused with, for example, strawberries, raspberry. So this is a nice cocktail where I put very nice raspberry inside. I also like gin tonic. I like espresso martini. I love also Bellinis. So I enjoy, you know, some very fancy cocktail I like to do myself. And when it starts to getting a little bit cold, I enjoy a chai latte. I also love to do that myself. So this is my cold fall chai latte edition. So what do I put inside of that? I put cinnamon rolls, I put some ginger, I put some anise. As you can see here, there's a little bit of anise. I also put some cloves inside. And it's delicious and it smells so good. So I enjoy chai latte when it starts to be a little bit cold or, you know, a little bit moody. I really love, you know, to drink something warm. After that, of course, I treat myself with some fancy chocolate, fancy treats. So usually I enjoy also the best macarons in Paris are from Pierre Hermé. So usually I go buy some very fancy macarons in Pierre Hermé. They are very my favorite and they are so much better compared to La Durée. I think La Durée is very tourist actually. We also do macarons in rose, in lychee. They are so fancy, so fancy. I love also very fancy chocolate. So this one are from Ducasse. And they are so good, you know. I love chocolate. This is my péché mignon. I also enjoy strawberries, chocolate strawberries. So from a German store called Coro. So this is a big bundle, you know, of chocolate strawberries. A beautiful one. Look at that. I love strawberries, and of course I love chocolate strawberries. It's so good. I really enjoy to treat myself with some fancy treats. And after that, I enjoy a very long, warm, hot bath. And coming to my beauty routine, I put a lot of oils, bubble bath. I love a very beautiful, smelling good bubble bath. So what I add into my long warm bath, it's some luxury bubble bath. So this one, I also buy this one in Amazon. So this is a rose bubble bath. So what I like about this one, it's the big size, but I enjoy the packaging. Look at how fancy it is. with this little crystal cap. I really enjoy this one. There's a lot of bubble with this one. It's very bubbly, and of course it smells so good. It's so nice. I also enjoy beautiful, luxury, smelling good shower gel or soap. So currently during the fall, I really enjoy Chanel No. 5. What I like about this one, it's the soapy smell, but of course there's something spicy in the Chanel No. 5 probably with the musk and the amber. I really enjoy something more ambery, more spicy during the fall. I really like, of course, rose. I love rose perfume during the winter season, and I enjoy that also during the fall and the spring. So I really like the Roger Gallet edition rose. It smells so good, and what I love about this one, it's super long lasting. Very intense for a regular shower gel. After that, I put some oil, I put some cream, body lotion, body cream, and I love to take my time to apply everything. So I have a different routine compared to the winter, and I love different scents, I love different body lotion. But during the fall, I enjoy this homemade rose oil. So this is handmade. Usually I put, you know, almond oil, camellia oil, vanilla oil also for the fall, and I add some fragrance, organic fragrance, and I add some rose fragrance. This one is homemade, but it smells very good on my skin. It's super long lasting, very incredible for homemade lotion. Same thing, it's homemade also, so I buy you know, a basic neutral body lotion, and what I do is I add some fragrances. So usually for this one, yeah, I add rose in this one also, same thing. So this is homemade, and I love that also. It smells very good. What I like about homemade, you know, lotion, it's I can add any fragrance. Anything I want, I can add. It's different, and it's depending of my mood, of what I want to smell, the season. It's very convenient, so I can add any fragrances in this one. I really enjoy vanilla during the fall. I love vanilla perfume. I love spicy vanilla perfume during the fall. So I also enjoy the vanilla oil. This one is also organic, coming from my favorite organic store in Paris called Aromazone. They sell so many essential oils, so many organic products, so many different fragrances also. So this is a pure vanilla oil. It smells so good, and the vanilla is coming from Madagascar, so it's very intense, and usually I smell so good after that. My body is filled with either rose or vanilla. I'm like a little little macaron actually. Of course, after that I apply perfume, and I love to apply after a very long hot bath. I love to apply soapy perfume. I really enjoy soapy perfume when I stay, you know, I really enjoy soapy perfume usually when I stay at home for casual day, when I pamper myself. During my beauty routine, I enjoy soapy perfume. So currently my favorite three for the fall are this one. It's Bulle de Rose by Parfums de Rosine. I also review this one. This is a very cute perfume, and I enjoy this one during the fall because it's a dry soapy rose. There's nothing sweet in this one. It's very dry, a little bit green, and it has this vintagey soapy rose direction that I really enjoy. It's so rose soapy. Yeah, very dry. It's a very dry rose, but it's so fancy, and I really enjoy to apply this one after a very long hot bath. The other one, and it's really, I really want to treat myself after a very difficult day, or I achieve something nice. I like to treat myself with a fancy luxury perfume. So this is of course Quelques Fleurs by Houbigant. This is a vintage version. I really love this perfume. This is one also the most soapy perfume I ever smell. Yeah, but it's so fancy. It's like I'm staying in the Ritz actually. Not home, but staying in the Ritz. And this one is so fancy. Oh my god, yeah. It's a very white soapy perfume. It's like a white, fancy luxury white soapy bar actually. And it smells for me so much like the Ritz. Yeah, oh la la. I love to apply this one for special occasion also. And this one also I really enjoy during the fall. It's of course Noah by Cacharel. What I like about this one is the vanilla, toffee, caramel and coffee notes on the dry down. So this one is very soapy and clean because of a musk. There's white musk in the base of this one, and white musk has something very soapy, but it has coffee, toffee, sweet and a lot of vanilla. There is vanilla in this one, so I really enjoy this one during also the fall. And it's time for my skincare routine. I really enjoy to apply different masks on my skin, different also skincare cream. And of course my routine is different depending on the season. For example, I moisturize a lot during the winter because of the weather. It's very dry, very cold. The spring I target much more pimples or glowing. I want to glow, so I target, you know, pimples or the glow of my skin. And during the summer I exfoliate, I clean my skin a lot. I do different masks depending on the state of my skin, but sometimes I target anti-aging, pimples, wrinkles. I love also to moisturize, but not too much, but it's not so cold during the fall. But there's one mask I really enjoy because it's convenient, it's easy, it's quick, doesn't need a lot of preparation, you know. And yeah, it's so quick. I really enjoy to do this one after work. So this is a tissue mask. This one is also organic, so super, you know, safe for the skin. It's 100% made from bamboo actually, but 100% organic. What I do is I soak this mask in different aromatic floral water, and I add also different ingredients, skincare ingredients. So usually what I do, and I love to do that, it's you know, soaking the mask in rose damask water. This is also a 100% organic rose floral water from Damask. It smells amazing. And for the skin, rose is the best. It's one of the best ingredients for the skin. And I add a very specific skincare ingredient, also recommended by my dermatologist. Also recommended by my Parisian dermatologist. She's the best in Paris. And she said, yes, this one, Urée. Urée is a skincare ingredient. It's super, she told me it's one of the most potent ingredients when it comes to hydration for skin. So it's moisturize a lot the skin, but it has also some exfoliation property, exfoliation benefit, so both moisturize and also cleaning, exfoliate the skin. So it's a very nice ingredient. So what I do is I add 1 scoop of Urée and also some rose water. I soak the mask into this little preparation. I let it soak for like 5 minutes. And I apply the mask on my skin. I leave the mask for probably 20 minutes until the mask is super dry. I remove it and my skin, I swear, looks amazing. Another secret of mine, and I have exactly the same result as I will go to a beauty dermatologist, you know, treatment. I have exactly the same result like a dermatology treatment or beauty treatment. So I love to blend the two. So I love to blend a powder, rose powder. This is a pure, 100% pure powder rose. For one, it has also amazing benefit for the skin. It's anti-aging, growing. It's also treating pimples. There's amazing property for the skin. And another secret, it's donkey milk powder. So this is donkey milk powder. I blend the two. Also, donkey milk has amazing benefit for the skin. It's anti-aging and it's also moisturize a lot the skin. So I blend the two. 1 scoop of donkey milk and 2 scoops of rose, damask rose powder. I put some rose water I don't put regular, you know, regular water. I put only rose water. I got a very thick paste, of course rose, it's pink paste, and I apply on my skin. I leave for 15 minutes, and after that, I swear, I have exactly the same results than you know, than going to a dermatologist or a beauty treatment. Exactly the same. It's like my skin has been photoshopped, and I have such a glow and perfect skin. I swear, these two are like wonderful on the skin. So donkey milk and rose powder, make sure it's organic, make sure it's a great, you know, great source, organic one, pure, nothing chemical is added. But usually, you know, after that I feel so good, I feel pampered, I feel good about myself. I love this beauty routine. So that's it guys, this was my fall beauty routine edition. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. Let me know what is your beauty skincare routine, what you love to do after work, if you love to pamper yourself. And I see you very soon for another video. Bye!